welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ebedo Happiness. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly click the subscribe button and also turn on post notifications so that you don't miss any post from me. I know a lot of us have been wondering how they can run campaign in the CRM, be it surveys, be it email campaign or newsletter. In today's video, I'll be showing us how to run campaign using the CRM as an organization or an individual. So what you need in order to run campaign in the CRM are your customer lists. You need to have your customer segmentation. It could be based on geographical location, it could be based on a particular sex, be it male or female, or particular age range. So in order for you to be able to run campaign using the CRM, you need to have been able to segment your customers. So I'm going to make a different video on how you can segment your customer automatically. So during the course of this video, I'm going to show us how you can add customers to different segmentations. I will show us how to do that manually, but in a different video which I'm going to film in a later date, I'm going to show us how we can do this automatically, so that as contacts are coming into your CRM, based on those your segments that you want, those customers are also created in that segment that you want them to be in your target list. I know that some of the things I'm saying here might seem a bit confusing, but don't worry, once we get into the video, you will understand them better. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video.
In order for us to begin, I'll just go ahead and log in. So once you log into the CRM, you want to navigate to campaign and click on create campaign. Like I said earlier, you can create campaign for either newsletter, email campaign, non-email based campaign, or surveys. And there are a number of things you need in order for you to be able to create a successful campaign. For the purpose of this video, we'll be creating email campaign. So you can see here, you need a target list, you need an email template. You want to go ahead and create your template ahead of time. And then you need to have set up your outbound, inbound, and bounce handling emails. You need to have set that up before you can go ahead to create a campaign. So let's take that one after the other. Let's just go ahead and create a target list. You can see I already have an existing target list here. And what I have here is all new leads. So I ran a campaign initially for all new leads that have been created on the system in order to notify them of their portal access requests once a lead is created. So you can run a campaign for any segment at all that you want. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be running a campaign for all customers from a particular location. So you want to go to account, open a new tab. So here I want to run a campaign for all customers in Denver. Okay, let me use Denver here. So you go ahead and create your target list. Let me use account. Save. Then you want to add the sub panel is disabled for my own CRM. Let me quickly enable that. Okay. Just refresh. Okay, so here we have accounts. I want to add all customers in Denver. Let me search here. Okay, I have 5 here. Just pick 3 so that I can be able to add valid emails. Then you want to go ahead, assuming that your email addresses are accurate, you don't need to do this, but if the email address is incorrect, you need to edit. There you go. So that is it for manually adding your account to a target list. So for this case, I use Denver as my segmentation. So the next thing you want to do is set up your email. So I'll link the video on the screen where I talked about how to set up your email for your CRM. So I'll just link that on the screen. But since the video didn't cover bounce handling, I want to go ahead and show you guys what I have for my bounce handling. So we go to inbound, so you can see the bounce handling I have here. So just go ahead and create yours and then test. Then the next thing you want to do is your email templates. You want to create your email templates ahead of time. So you go to email templates. So these are the sample email templates I have. You can just go ahead and create yours. So the purpose of this video, I'll just be making use of any email templates. So you get the point. Let's go back to our campaign. Let me close all tabs. Go back to your campaign. New arrivals. Active. You can go ahead and fill this if it's necessary for you. It's not necessary in this case. So I'll just go ahead and click next. Select your target list. Accounts in Denver. So I have 4 targets here. Just go ahead, click next. Then select an email template. You can either select an existing template, create a brand new template, or copy an existing template. So I'll just go ahead and select a new one. We forgot password email. So this is what I have here. Then go ahead, next. Here should be your email address. Select your bounce handling and your outgoing email account. And set time, 23rd. What is your current time? 1:02. 1:15 a.m. Sorry. Can see that it has also selected the from name and from address. Then click next. You see here your campaign checklist. All campaign checklists should be accurate here in order for you to be able to run a successful campaign. And decide to send a test, or you go ahead and send your mail at the scheduled time. So if you go to admin and check your queued emails, you see that they are all queued and it's going to run at the specified time. But because my scheduler is not set up at the moment, I'll just go ahead and send the queued campaign manually. But once your scheduler is set up, the campaign will run automatically. Okay, so I just went ahead and refreshed. The campaign has run already. So let's just check it out. Okay, so this is it. Remember, we selected for password reset. Okay, there's no link. So I had an issue with the link in my email. Please do confirm the links in your email templates before you go ahead to run any campaign. So you can see that mine had an issue because I didn't confirm it. You just want to go ahead and check for the other ones. Okay, so this is it. This is it. Let's go ahead and opt out here. So I've opted out with email of Nora's Claudia. I've opted out there. Let's go back to our campaign. Okay, let's go to our campaign. Let's view status. Okay, so here you can see that we used 4 accounts in this our campaign. We ran a campaign for 4 accounts and 3 have viewed the messages so far. 1 has opted out, so you can see the results of your campaign, and the color coding is for the modules. So you can run the campaign for accounts, leads, prospects, users, and contacts. So for this, we ran for accounts, which is yellow. That is why you can only see yellow here. Then you can check the history here as well. Message queued. There's no more message queued here because it has all been sent. If it was a survey, you see the survey responses. Message sent attempts. You can see the messages were sent. Then how many viewed the message? You can see each of them that viewed the message. Then click through link. If there was a link, you see who clicked on the link. Then you can check bounce. We didn't have any bounce. How many opted out? You can see the number that opted out. And you can check your campaign results here. So guys, there you have it.
This is how you can run campaign in the CRM. I hope it was helpful. So like I said earlier, I'm going to film a video in a later date to show you how you can segment this automatically using workflows. So I've already shown us previously in the video here, I'm going to link it up here, how you can write workflows in your CRM. So we'll just be leveraging on this workflow. We'll write a workflow to help us segment this our customers automatically so that we don't have to keep adding them manually to the segments that we want them to be in for our campaign. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. You're giving the videos thumbs up helps my videos. It helps me to know that you guys are comfortable with the kind of content I am putting out there, and it also motivates me, lets me know that you guys like this, and encourages me to keep filming more videos for you guys. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye.